When you walk into a South Fargo business just off South University Drive, it looks more like Santa's elves busy at the North Pole.
Packet Digital may have started small, but the battery and power solution giant is now creating products headed for space and military top secret operations. The business is now planning to expand to Fargo's north side. The story tonight from WDAY News reporter Kevin Wallivant.
Inside Packet Digital in South Fargo, engineers are not only building batteries and power products, they're creating high-performance, efficient batteries that the military and the space world is noticing.
Taking our products into space with the Air Force. Last year we won an $8 million contract with the Air Force to take the new technologies that we're building in the unmanned aircraft space with battery solutions and power modules, and we're bringing that now to the space market.
Packet Digital started with just 5 workers a few years ago. Today, 33, and plans to hire more and expand to an additional location in North Fargo.
And now we're currently closing a contract where we'll be creating a standard for drone battery packs for military fleet of drones.
The reason? Drones and cutting-edge UAS demand for exactly this. Reliable batteries and power that last longer.
Yeah, it's a very good time to be in this market. Power needs are not going away. It's ever increasing, so it will become even more necessary going forward.
For those here at Packet Digital, amazing that their batteries made here in Fargo and the power systems are headed to space and on board top secret military and commercial equipment.
It's a lot of fun. If you like engineering especially, we have a blast doing what we do here.
And it's not just power. The systems made here in Fargo provide data in real time during flight. In-flight charging is also happening, all from engineers and entrepreneurs right here at home. Kevin Wallivant, WDAY News.
This comes as the state of North Dakota has been dubbed the Silicon Valley of drones, one of 7 FAA test sites. It's been really incredible to learn the work that's being done right here in Fargo, the biggest companies, the military, and just kind of quietly.
Fargo, Tech City.
Right, exactly.
Right.